Dear academic, administrative and marketing department officials, research scholars and students of the ICFA University, Himachal Pradesh. I wish you all a very happy new year 2021 and hope that all your aspirations would come out to be true in the new year. During the current year and despite the pandemic, ICFA University, Himachal Pradesh has done a commendable job, and I will be failing in my duties if I do not acknowledge the great job done by the university and its team. On the academic front, we followed the academic calendar in toto in both the even and odd semesters, conducted online classes, online examinations, and declared the results absolutely in compliance with the academic calendar. So my heartiest congratulations to the academic team, the heads of department, the registrar, the controller of examination for conducting the whole ecosystem of education and academics in compliance to the extent regulations. For the first time, the university has impressive admissions despite the constraints of the pandemic. And I would like to congratulate and thank the marketing department for doing a commendable job. While we were carrying out our activities of academics, we also did our bit to improve the infrastructure and the sport facilities in the campus. The administrative department created new playgrounds in the form of handball, basketball practice bay, and a mobile badminton court. These facilities have been created by in-house staff and with the captive resources. And these three grounds would add value to the sporting infrastructure of the university and will benefit our students immensely. Also, during this period, we reorganized our information technology and networking lab, and we have created an impressive lab on the first floor. We have created a new meeting hall, a new research department, and have also commissioned the biology lab, that is botany and zoology lab, for our BSc medical students. The new year 2021 will begin shortly, and we are quite excited about it, that hopefully we'll be able to have the classes in the campus, provided the COVID-19 situation improves further. And thereafter, we will have all our activities as per the academic calendar and a lot of interaction between the faculties and the students. I fully realize the importance of placement and jobs for our passing out students. We have appointed a director, training and placement, who has been engaged in training our final year students, grooming them, and some of them have already been placed. The university will leave no stones unturned to see that maximum number of our students get placed in good companies. Finally, I wish all of you and your families a very happy New Year 2021. And until the COVID situation improves fully, I will also request you to observe the norms of wearing facial mask and maintaining social distances. God bless you. All the very best to all of you for the great New Year 2021. Jai Hind.